comes Akube Doromo is telling about the indictment that government presented to the jury that indicted him. The government indictment was 1. Healthcare fraud, Title 18 United States Code Section 1347. 2. Mail fraud, Title 18 United States Code Section 1341. 3. Wire fraud, Title 18 United States Code Section 1343. 4. Convicted in healthcare fraud, Title 18 United States Code Section 982A and 7. Number 5. False statement in healthcare matters, Title 18 United States Code Section 1035A and 2. Number 6. Money laundering, Title 18 United States Code Section 1957. C. Healthcare counts in the indictment met the Constitution requirements for specificity, particularly when considered in light of the bills of particulars provided by the government. Healthcare fraud counts alleged supposed to be the time frame of the scam, the scam's victims, healthcare providers of course, the perpetrators of the scam in both sides, the place where the scam was perpetrated from starting location to ending location, the purpose of the scam, and the language of the Statute 18 United States Code Section 1347, or is insufficient. See United States versus Mamelistan. And see trial transcripts March 26, 2007, docket entry number 67, dated November 30, 2007, pages 4, 10, 11, and 141. Also see the government indictment. The trial is different from the indictment and from the verdict form that was supposed to be submitted or presented to petty jury and filed into court records. See the indictment docket entry number 3, criminal number 619, under Judge Imad Salman. The grand jury clause of Fifth Amendment reads, "No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of grand jury, and the indictment as charging instrument offers 3 protections to the accused. First, it must appraise the accused of the charges against him so that he may adequately prepare his defense. And second, it must describe the crime with sufficient specificity to enable him to protect against future jeopardy of the same offense." That is Gaida versus the United States. Additional to this notice related concern the right of indictment by grand jury affords a third safeguard by granting the right to be tried only on charges made by the indictment. The clause also protects against oppressive action of the prosecutor or court, which may alter the charges to fit the proof. That is Gaita Sapra. The prohibition precludes the possibility that the defendant could be convicted on the basis of facts not found by a presented to grand juries which indicted him, and that is Russell versus the United States. An amendment of indictment occurs when the charging terms of the indictment are altered, either literally or in effect, by prosecutor or court after the grand jury has last passed upon them. A variance occurs when the charging terms of the indictment are altered and indictment are left unaltered, but the evidence at the trial proves facts materially different from those alleged in the indictment. The same like what happened in Akube Doromo's case. The government, I can't remember whether it was Mr. Philip or Mr. Raja whose transmission blew cost $2,000. Will the defendant pay that for him? No, absolutely not. The man is sitting on 1.2 million at the end of the day. He doesn't have enough money to pay for the transmission on one of his own vans. That is why it was a mistake for these people to work for him. That is why we are here today. See indictment docket entry number 3 in criminal case number 6 -019 under Judge Imad Salvan. Also trial transcripts March 29, 2007, page 76, docket entry 70, and the date November 30, 2007 in DC Code. The government, again here is the government, the prosecutor. Did people get paid without prior authorization code? Without prior authorization codes? That is large part, probably why we are here. But that does not excuse stealing, ripping off, taking from Medicaid. See trial transcript page 99, docket entry number 70, and the date November 30, 2007 in criminal 619 under Judge Imad Salvan. Also see indictment. The government, yes, the government got up here before you and said 1.8 million and repeated 1.8 again and again and again, because that is the amount of fraud here, and that is the evidence here. It is 1.8 million minus about 6,000. See the indictment docket entry number 3, entry date February 1, 2006 in criminal case number 619 under Judge Imad Salvan. The copy of what I just explained, it is submitted in with the video, plus all, of course, the evidence is in there, and what real I need a public support, how we can stop District of Columbia Federal Court from robbing people. Thank you.